Alright, here is the 3B, just flat toed it in. So I figured I'd show it to you before I tear it down. Check out these fender flares, folks. That's right, tires. That was brilliant on somebody's behalf. Of course, the rear end's all completely rotted out. Another tire over here. Go around. We got a lift in the way right now, sorry. Here, we'll give you a quick shot of the inside. Pulled it here in the snow. Ooh, she's gonna have to run. Look at that. Fresh spark plugs laying on the floor. That's always a good sign. Oh. And more fender flares, mud flaps, whatever you want to call it. Some old rubber belting. Some big boony tires. Look at that. That is... Look out, you other winch companies. This is a beauty. And then the flat tow bar. So there it is. And we're gonna tear into it here. Starting to look at the motor on this thing. Looks like somebody's been playing with it a little bit. It's got newer plugs, newer wires. The cap rotor looked good, but the wiring is all dulled up. Go ahead, turn the key to the on position.
You want to turn it over?
Yeah, just turn it to that. Okay, shut it off. Okay, so that is the actual on position, not the start position. So they've got it wired wrong. So we're going to rewire the switch. So there it is. We're just going to check it out and get that rewired so that part's right. Well, we tested for spark using the little spark tester, and it seems as though we don't have anything going to the coil, or coming out of the coil, excuse me. Power's going in, points are working, so it is a coil issue. So we're going to pull the coil off next and see if that does it. Okay, so we had to put a new coil on, as I mentioned, and now we got spark, and so we decided, well, everything was kind of apart, that we would check compression. So we got 90-ish there, 60, 65 there, 100 and 100. So I'm gonna pull off the our valve cover here in a minute and take a look and make sure that we don't have anything there. And then we'll put some air, if all that looks good, then we'll put a little air in number 2, see if we hear it coming out the exhaust, because then we'll know it's in the exhaust valve that's sticking. So, all right. Okay, so we popped off the tappet cover gasket, valve cover gasket, whatever you want to call it. And go ahead, crank it. Everybody's working good. So we went ahead and we checked the compression after putting the training fluid in. We let it soak for a while, and they're all pretty close. They're all within 10%. It's a little low on compression, but that's okay. We're gonna try to put it back together now and go for that. Okay, sorry that you didn't get to hear it. So, running pretty good on old scale gas. Back end's kind of falling off these days. Oh yeah, show all the good happenings with the gauges. These seats are pretty